Hello everyone. Let's continue our SQL series, and in this class we are going to learn about string data type. So what is data types? Data types are used to represent the nature of the data that can be stored in particular database or in particular table. So whenever we are creating a table, then first of all we can define which types of data we can add in our particular table or in our particular columns. So let's say we want to create one table, employee table. We want to create employee table here. The first name, last name we want, and number. So during creating a table we can specify our first name is a character, second name is also a character, and third phone number we can take as a integer value or input value, sorry. So whenever we create a table we can specify the data type. These types of data type we want in this particular table. So let's continue with the string data type. So under the string data type we have a different data types like character, char, varchar max, nchar, nnext, and binary. So let's discuss one by one what is char n here. So char n, it is a fixed width character string data type, and we can define char n up to the 8,000 character. So whenever we are creating a table, then we can define our first name is a char, and here we can define we want char name as a 5. It means our name, first name is like this, Shivan. Here you can see the 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's a 6 name. So whenever we can define, you can write like it's a Shiva, it's a 5 letter, so here we can define the character string data type. Like how much size we need a data under this character or char. First name char, how much size of data we want. So here I'm defining 5, that's why I'm writing Shiva, SHIVA. N is not here. So you can, let me remove here. So writing for first name, I'm writing char here. I'm defining 5, it means I'm writing Shiva here. Shiva, it's a 5 letter. So whenever you are calling the char function, so under the char function you can define how much size data you want here. And under the char data you can define 8,000 letter. Next we have a varchar. So varchar, it is a variable with character string data type, and you can also define this size up to 8,000 guys. So varchar n, this is the variable with character. Third we have a varchar max. It is a variable with character string data type, and you can define maximum, the limit I thought it's 10 lakh something, sorry. You can define the maximum length 10 lakh something. I am not remember the exact value here, but you can define 10 lakh. Here you can define up to 8,000, here you can define, and here you can also define 8,000. But in a varchar max you can define 10 lakh something. I am not remembering the exact value here, but up to 10 lakh you can define. So varchar map, it is a variable with character. Next we have a nchar. It is a fixed width Unicode. Whenever you want to add Unicode string data in your table or in your particular column, then you can define nchar. Next we have a ntext. It is a variable with Unicode string, and you can define up to the 2 GB of text data. So whenever you want to define the Unicode data in your particular column, you can define ntext, and you can add 2 GB of data in this particular column. 2 GB. Okay, it's a very long size, guys. Okay, next we have a binary in. So when you want to add binary data, binary string data in any particular table or any particular column, then you can use binary in. Okay, and the value of binary in you can define up to 8000 bytes. Okay, so under the string data type we have some important character, some of the important data types like varchar, char-in, varchar, varchar max, in, char, in text, binary. Okay, and every data types have the some special rules. It means character, you can, whenever you want to add character in the particular column, you can add character in, and make sure you can this 8000 is the up to 8000 data you can add it here. Next varchar n, we have again up to 8000 you can add. Varchar max up to 10 lakh data you can add. In char we have it's a whenever you want to add a Unicode string data type, then you can in any particular column, then you can define in char. And in text, whenever you want to add Unicode string data type, then you can add in text, but here you can add huge number of data. The size of the data is here is 2 GB. Okay, 2 GB text data you can add. Next and last we have a binary n. Binary n, it means whenever you have a binary string and you want to add a binary string in any particular column, then you can use a binary n, and here you can add a data up to 8000 bytes. Okay, so this is all about string data type, guys. Let me know if you have any doubt in this topic. Let's see you in the next class. Thank you.